The 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost is a luxury vehicle that combines elegance with cutting-edge technology. Here are some key features: sleek lines and iconic grille, bespoke colors to personalize the vehicle, full LED lighting system for enhanced visibility and modern touch, 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine producing 580 horsepower, Magic Carpet Ride suspension system with predictive road scan technology for ultimate ride comfort, 8-speed automatic gearbox, handcrafted luxury with leather, wood, and starlight roof, advanced infotainment system with seamless connectivity, heated and ventilated seats for comfort, ambient lighting for a serene mood, AI-based navigation system with adaptive route learning, augmented reality head-up display, rear seat entertainment tablets with 5G connectivity, 22-speaker bespoke audio system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, autonomous emergency braking. The starting price for the Ghost Series 2 is around $365,000.
The 2026 Cadillac Escalade starts at $93,695 for the base model and tops out at $170,595 for the V-Series, with the long wheelbase Escalade ESV priced from $96,695 to $174,820. The Escalade comes in 6 trim levels: Escalade, Luxury, Sport, Platinum Luxury, Platinum Sport, and V-Series. Engine and performance: 6.2-liter V8 engine with 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. A 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine with 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque for the V-Series. Dimensions: length 211.9 inches standard, 226.9 inches ESV, width 93.7 inches with mirrors extended, 81.08 inches with mirrors folded. Seating and cargo: seating capacity up to 7 or 8 passengers, cargo space 25.5 cubic feet behind the third row, 72.9 cubic feet behind the second row, 120.5 cubic feet maximum. Towing capacity up to 8,100 pounds. Weight: base curb weight 5,383 pounds RWD, 5,580 pounds 4WD, and 5,610 pounds V-Series all-wheel drive. 10-speed automatic transmission. The 2026 BMW X5 has a 3.0-liter inline-6 or 4.4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine, producing 375 to 617 horsepower and 398 to 553 pound-feet torque. It features an 8-speed automatic transmission, an all-wheel drive AWD, or rear-wheel drive RWD. The vehicle measures 194.3 inches in length, 78.9 inches in width, and 69.5 inches in height. It seats 5 passengers and has a cargo capacity of 33.9 cubic feet behind the second row, expanding to 72.3 cubic feet with the seats folded. Fuel efficiency ranges from 19 to 25 mpg combined, depending on the engine and configuration. The X5 also features adaptive suspension, advanced infotainment system, iDrive 8.5, wireless charging, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Safety features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. The starting price is around $66,600 for the base model, going up to $129,700 for the high-performance M competition trim.